Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the lightweight structure. Fold the cardstock into a 1/5 cm diameter tube for the fuselage and secure with tape. Attach 2 small paperclip hooks near the tail. These hold the rubber band, make sure they align. Cut a 6 cm nose wedge and a 2/5 cm tail strip. These provide pitch control. Once done, thread the rubber band from nose to tail and test tension gently. This first step sets overall balance and ensures the plane will store energy without twisting. Next, craft the wings and propeller so the plane can hum. Cut 2 18x4 5 cm wings and add a slight dihedral by folding 1 cm at the center. Reinforce the leading edges with tape to resist flutter. Create a 2-blade propeller by shaping 6 cm plastic blades and fixing them to the rubber band end with a small cap. This turns stored twist into thrust. Mount the wing assembly over the fuselage center, positioning the center of gravity about 1/3 back from the wing leading. Finish by tuning and testing. Wind the rubber band 10 to 15 turns and launch with a gentle 10-degree upward angle. Observe behavior. If it dives, add 1 to 2 millimeters of uptrim to the tail. If it stalls or spirals, shift the center of gravity forward by 3 to 5 millimeters. Make sure the propeller blades are symmetrical and the rubber band shows no fraying, because uneven thrust or a brittle band are common causes of failure. Adjust and retry until it hums smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.